I'm here at my new project in the harbor in North Miami Beach, overlooking this beautiful intercoastal. And I wanted to share with you guys pretty much a step-by-step process of how I design a vacation rental or turnkey style project for clients that live internationally or live out of state. So I hope you like it. I'm going to be showing you clips of pretty much step one all the way down to the final installations of how everything comes together. So my first step is to create my floor plan. I like creating virtual floor plans for clients because it really gives them a very good perspective of how the space is going to look. And again, it's just a general idea. I input colors and textures and just basic ideas of furniture so that you can get a feel for the space. Next, I'll do a PowerPoint presentation, and I always like to include an inspiration page where I find pictures of inspirational items or textures or colors that I found along the way to help me create the design. And then I'll add in images of the floor plan so you can see how everything comes together. Time to go shopping. Come in this morning and I see that my painters painted my beautiful yellow wall behind me. Oh my God, I'm so in love with this color. This color is called Nugget from Sherwin-Williams. It's one of their color trends for 2019, one of the forecasted colors that they picked out, and I'm just in love with it. It's like this beautiful yellowy, greenish, yummy mustardy color. I don't even know what to call it, but it's gorgeous. I can't wait to see the furniture with it because I have all types of colors coming.